That makes 2 of us.
Shh. I don't think it knows we're still alive.
Cindy's like shooting that.
Chowder! I didn't do it.
You guys.
Jenny!
What's this, Dad? See that big green thing?
Hello?
Yeah.
The big green thing will do it, but if you can't open it, and plus the monster won't attack you. If you go over to the other side to get it, guess what will happen, Dad? It will just go back to sleep, and then when you want to get it again, guess what will happen, Dad? You'll end up in the same place you started when it first
Oh,
attacked you.
what am I supposed to do with that?